So, hi my dear friends, my name is Yuvraj Dhaliwal, as you know me. So, today I have brought something upon Article 122 of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, or the law of evidence. Also, that is, I would say, it is rule of estoppel. So, there is an example that is A rents a immovable property from B, and the contract is made for 2 years. Now, in between, A comes to know that this property belonged to C and the contract has been made with B. So now who should A pay the rent to? He should pay the rent to B, from whom he had taken the property. He should pay the rent to C, who is the real owner of that property, or he should give the money to court and let the court decide to whom we have to give the money. Or money should not be, or disputed property, money should not be given to anyone, or it should not be taken on rent or given on rent. So, what do you say about this? I would say, or it is actually, he should keep paying the money to B, since there is the rule of estoppel that he cannot deny any fact or anything. If I have taken the property on rent, I have to complete the contract until it's completed. So, this was a good thing, also known as rule of estoppel. It is a really good thing and a short video for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye.